Most people at risk are those who work with infected livestock, as well as the victims of bioterrorism, as in the 2001 anthrax scare.
There are 3 modes of transmission of anthrax. The most common is cutaneous, which occurs through a break in the skin. There's also gastrointestinal, which occurs by eating contaminated food, and inhalational, which occurs by breathing in spores. This is the most deadly kind.
The infection is generally considered not contagious, but in rare cases can be spread from person to person through open wounds. In cutaneous anthrax, it begins as a small raised bump that might itch. This is the incubation period, which usually takes 5 to 7 days. After about 1 to 2 days, the bump develops into a painless fluid-filled blister. Within 7 to 10 days, the blister has a black center of dying tissue. Swollen lymph nodes, headache, and fever may also occur, and if it goes untreated, death may also occur. Major treatments used are antibiotics such as penicillin, which is a universal antibiotic used to fight many infections. Hospitalization is necessary for a full recovery from anthrax poisoning. Tests run to diagnose anthrax include a culture and sensitivity test of blood, spinal fluid, skin sores, or a respiratory secretion. Biopsies are also common. The only prevention method is the anthrax vaccine. However, these vaccines are only available to those who are at risk. Short-term effects include all symptoms previously mentioned, and any long-term effect is most likely death.
During their travel, the anthrax bacteria begin to grow and multiply, infecting surrounding areas where they eventually make their way back into the bloodstream. Also during their travel, the anthrax bacteria emit virulence factors which contain the exotoxins responsible for a condition known as toxemia or blood poisoning. The exotoxins are then released from the bloodstream where they invade neighboring cells. This invasion makes the cells unable to regulate their environment and causes the cells to release water and eventually die.